So using this given 5 matrices here, let us try to come up with the result of this first 3 operations on matrices: addition, subtraction, and scalar multiples. Let's also be guided with the possibility of undefined results so that we would not waste much time. So let's start with D plus E. D is a 3 by 3 matrix, and E is also a 3 by 3 matrix. So when you add it, we expect a result which is also 3 by 3 matrices. The result of D plus E is simply adding the entries on the same ij column or ij position. Okay, so we simply add them to get the result of D and E. So for number 1, 1 plus 6, I have here 7. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. Then you have 2 plus 3, 5. Then negative 1 plus negative 1, negative 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Then you have 3 plus 4, 7. You have 2 plus 1, 3. And 4 plus 3, 7. This is the result for D plus E. For D minus E, since we also have 3 by 3 less 3 by 3, we expect a result which is a 3 by 3 matrix. So earlier we added them up. We are going to subtract here the entries following the entries of D before or as our minuend, and the subtrend is the entries of E. So 1 minus 6, negative 5. Okay? Now 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 3, negative 1. Next, negative 1 minus negative 1, that's plus 1, 0. Okay? 0 minus 1, negative 1. 1 minus 2, negative 1 as well. 3 minus 4, negative 1. 2 minus 1, positive 1. 4 minus 3, positive 1. This is the result for D minus E. So we already have an example for addition. We already have an example for subtraction. Now for scalar multiples. Here, we are going to multiply 5 to all the entries of A. So you have A here. Your A is a 2 by 3 matrix. So our result should also be a 2 by 3 matrix. And multiply all entries by 5. So 5 times 3, you have here 15. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times negative 1, negative 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 1, 5 as well. Same thing will happen here for negative 7 times C. Your C is a 2 by, your A is a 3 by 2. Because it's 3 rows, 2 columns. Your C is 2 by 3. So we're going to multiply negative 7 to all the entries of your C. So negative 7 times 1, negative 7. Negative 7 times 4, negative 28. Negative 7 times 2, negative 14. Negative 7 times 3, negative 21. Times 1, negative 7. Times 5, negative 35. Okay? Next, a combination of a scalar multiple and subtraction. But first, B is a 2 by 2 matrix. Even if you're going to multiply your scalar of 2, it would not change its size. And C is a 2 by 3 matrix. See what happens here. You have a 2 by 2 minus 2 by 3. They're of different sizes. So this is not possible. So the result here is automatically undefined. Okay? It's automatically undefined because we cannot subtract matrices of different sizes. Even if we have a scalar multiple here, it would not change 2 by 2 as it is. Next, so you have 4e minus 2d. So let us use the rest of the space here if we need to, because let's start with 4e. 4e is when we multiply, first, of course, E is a 3 by 3 matrix, and D is also a 3 by 3 matrix. So under subtraction there, it's defined, so we can proceed, because if in the first place it's undefined, no need to stress so much with the scalar multiples 4 for E and 2 for D, because you won't be having a defined result. So let's have 4E. So 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times negative 1, negative 4. 4, 8, 16, 4, and 12. This is for E alone. Next, you will have 2D. So D, 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 2, 4. And the rest. Negative 2, 0, 2, 6, 4, and 8. Okay. Now that we have these two results, 4E minus 2D, subtract the results. 24 minus 2, 22. 4 minus 10, negative 6. 12 minus 4, 8. Negative 4 minus negative 2. Again, it's minus, okay? Negative 4 minus negative 2. So that's actually plus, right? Plus 4 plus negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, okay? Don't forget the double negative property, especially for integers. Next, 4 minus 0 is 4 as well. Next, you will have 8 minus 2, 6, 16 minus 6, 10, 4 minus 4, 0, 12 minus 8, 4. So this is the result for 4E minus 2D. We'll have this matrix here. Next is for the last item here, negative 3 times the result of D minus 2E. So let's start with 2E first, okay? Of course, just like probably M does, you're going to start with a grouping symbol and, of course, multiplication, addition, before, multiplication inside before the multiplication outside. So 2E, so 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And the rest, negative 2. You will have 2, 4, 8, 2, and 6. Okay? So we have all of these for our 2E. And we're going to add D to 2E. D is a 3 by 3 matrix. E is a 3 by 3 matrix. So their sum is defined as 3 by 3 as well. So let's have this. We'll add 1 plus 12 is 13. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. Negative 1 plus negative 2 is negative 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 3 plus 8 is 11. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 6 is 10. And finally, we're going to multiply that with a scalar multiple of 3. So the result would be negative 3 times 13 is negative 39. Negative 3 times 7, negative 21. Negative 3 times 8, negative 24. Negative 3 times negative 3, 9. Times 2, negative 6. Times 5, negative 15. Times 11, negative 33. Times 4, negative 12. Times 10, negative 30. So this is the result for the given. Okay? The given are what is asked using the given matrices here. So we have addition, subtraction, scalar multiples, and a combination of all. So thank you very much for watching.